So hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video let's talk about the characteristics of cells. So based on our cell and based on how the data are accepted in the cell, we can identify like which characteristics was the cell. Was it a number, was it a text, was it a boolean expression, was it an error message? So let's jump into our video. So if I'm typing text, let's say text. As you can see, the text is on the left corner of the cell. If I am typing a number, as you can see, the number is moving to the right corner of the cell. So that means if any word or any letters you are typing and if that is moving to our left, that means the cell is a text. If anything is moving to your right, that means it is a number. The cell characteristic is a number. So if you are typing a boolean expression, say true. Observe here, it has moved in the middle. That means Boolean expression has been the characteristics of that cell. So it has been moved to the center. If we have false, that means it will also move to the center because it is a Boolean characteristics. And if we are doing an error message, let's say equal to 1 divided by 0, it's obviously an error. So it is an error message hash divided by 0 exclamation. So it is an error message. It is also in the center of the cell. So based on the characteristics of the cell, we can find which data has been accepted. So what is the data has been accepted in the cell. By that time we can find the characteristics of the cell. So first it is a text, second obviously it's a number, then the remaining three are boolean characteristics. So as function and formula, so difference between function and formula is nothing but what we are doing, so which is not in the Excel sheet. So function is an inbuilt option which is already available in an Excel sheet. For example, if we have this 22 plus 1, so to add this equal to 22 and I'm manually doing plus, and again this cell is 23. So this was a formula. So what is the inbuilt function in the sense, if I keep the cursor in the cell and we have an option called auto sum which available under the home tab in the editing group. So once you click on this, see these three tabs have been added, and once I click on tab, the sum is 46. So that is called a function which is an inbuilt one, and formula which we are doing manually. Basically the things which are not available in the Excel sheet by default. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.